How to send snaps without media upload in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a snap on Snapchat without uploading any photo or video. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, from the camera screen, simply swipe right or tap on the chat icon in the bottom left corner to open your conversation. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply select the friend or group you want to message. Now here, just type your message in the chat box and hit send. And this lets you to communicate without needing to upload a photo or video. And if you still want to send something via the snap feature without showing anything, just tap on the camera icon and take a photo of the dark surface or cover the lens to make it blank. Optionally, you can add text or stickers. And once you're done with that, just send it as a snap. Snapchat requires a photo or video to send an actual snap. So using a blank image is a clever workaround. And that's it. That's how you can send a snap without uploading any visible media. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.